What's the first thing they teach you in Scouts? Always be prepared. You never know when you might end up spending a night under the stars, planned or otherwise. That's why Titan Survival's extra thick emergency sleeping bag is a must-have for survival kits and go bags. Originally developed for the NASA space program, Titan's sleeping bag is 47% thicker than the leading competitive brands and will reflect up to 90% of your body heat back towards you when used properly. Each sleeping bag comfortably fits a single adult. The tear-resistant and reusable fabric can be rolled and stowed back into its drawstring bag for multiple uses. Whether you're ready or not, life happens. Don't get caught off guard. Prepare ahead of time. Titan Survival.
The Katadyn 3-liter BeFree filtration system features technology from our award-winning BeFree 0.6 liter. With additional volume to make accessible drinking water on long backpacking missions or for cooking around Camp a Breeze. Packed with features, the Katadyn 3-liter BeFree flask delivers Smash Stash and Go water filter for extended outdoor activities. Water purification has never been this simple or compact. The BeFree filter uses Katadyn Easy Clean filter technology to remove protozoa and bacteria even in the most challenging water conditions. The BeFree filter is designed to last longer than other filters without the hassle of backflushing or carrying clumsy tools. It is the only microfilter that cleans easily with a shake or a swish through your water source to remove dirt and debris. The V-shape provides faster flow when pouring. The bail handle is designed to be submerged for easy filling in a lake or stream. The carry handle makes filling simple and is the perfect method of carrying water from the creek, stream, or lake back to camp. Graduation marks on the 3-liter BeFree flask will make your measurements precise. Free flow channels provide sophisticated clean drinking water at a rate of 2 liters per minute with a simple squeeze. 2 hanging holes near the handle can attach to carabiners, ropes, or straps for carrying and hanging the Katadyn 3-liter BeFree flask. Its compact design and small storage footprint means it will easily fit in your backpack, camping kit, or hydration bladder compartment. Smash, dash, and go with the Katadyn 3-liter BeFree flask for every adventure.
This is the Dime. It's a clever mini multi-tool you can attach to a keychain. It contains 10 tools. In addition to butterfly opening stainless steel spring-loaded needle nose pliers, wire cutters, a fine edge blade, spring-loaded scissors, flat driver, tweezers, lanyard ring, and a fine and coarse file. The Dime includes the retail package opener, a blade that safely cuts and scores plastic packaging. The Dime's bottle opener is exposed even when the tool is closed. Store this cool little multi-tool in a pocket, a purse, or keep it on a key ring.
The Fogo is a flashlight, GPS, and walkie-talkie all in one.
We created the Fogo out of our love for the outdoors. The Fogo is a device that not only keeps you safe, but it gives you a reason to get out and enjoy nature.
Have peace of mind knowing you have a flashlight, GPS, and walkie-talkie with you wherever you go. Fogo's 1000 lumen flashlight keeps you safe and prepares you for any outdoor task, like setting up your tent at night. Accidents happen. Luckily, Fogo is waterproof and durable, so you don't have to worry about dropping it or damaging it in the rain or the snow. Use Fogo's built-in radio and GPS to keep track of friends and family while they're off exploring. Then bring everyone safely back to camp with Fogo's text messaging feature, or coordinate using Fogo's walkie-talkie.
Are you on your way?
Yeah, I'll be there in 15 minutes with the food.
Fogo also functions as a backup battery, so it keeps your USB devices charged while you relax in your tent. At night, Fogo's motion sensor makes it easy to find. Just move around and it turns on automatically to get your attention. Whether you're a camper, hiker, backpacker, or bike rider, Fogo is the ultimate adventure gadget designed to keep you safe while exploring. When you hit the trail, the Fogo tracks your route with its built-in GPS and pedometer. You can safely navigate unknown terrain as the Fogo guides you between waypoints, or create your own waypoints along the way for spontaneous geocaching. To maximize battery life and protect your night vision, Fogo switches to low beam when you point it at the trail in front of you and high beam for distant objects. At night, Fogo also guides you between your waypoints by giving a warning flash whenever you veer off course, helping you safely find your destination. If you're backpacking for longer than a day trip, Fogo enters breadcrumbs mode, automatically turning on once every 15 minutes to log your location. Fogo also works as an advanced bike computer with a built-in light, radio, and charger. Before you hit the trail, just mount Fogo to the handlebars using the GoPro or Garmin Edge compatible mounting adapter. While you're out, Fogo tracks your ride using GPS. You can also track your heart rate or cadence using Bluetooth. If you take a spill, Fogo can detect your crash and send out a message using the radio. When the sun goes down, the Fogo automatically illuminates the trail. The interchangeable wide beam reflector is perfect for mountain biking at night. The Fogo also saves your battery by switching to low beam when you slow down and high beam when you pick up speed. Set an estimated trip duration and the Fogo will make sure you use just the right amount of battery power to get back safely to your destination. The Fogo. Adventure, convenience, safety.
We're really excited about this product. It's going to be a lot of fun. We want to get it into your hands out on the trail.
We're up here in beautiful Idlewild, California, and we're testing the Fogo out, putting some finishing touches on it, and really seeing how it works on the trail so we can give you guys a quality product.
The Fogo started really as an idea for a smart flashlight, and the evolution kind of went from there. We decided to add additional features and pack in more technology.
So we have our manufacturing partners all set up. We have some great partners overseas and here in Southern California. We've put a lot of our own money and energy into this product, but we really need your help to finish it off. We've taken it about as far as we can at this point, and we're excited to get it out there on the trail, but we need your help getting there.